In this video, we'll show you exactly how to import bank statements into Xero, making it easier to track your finances and streamline your accounting. If you're new to Xero or just want a quick, simple guide, stay tuned because we're diving right into the steps you need to follow, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to import your bank statements with ease. Plus, we've got an exclusive bonus for you to try Xero for free. Check the first link below. Now let's get started with importing bank statements into Xero. First, you'll want to make sure you have your bank account linked to Xero. To do that, go to the dashboard and click on Accounting in the main menu. Then select Bank Accounts. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, click Add Bank Account and follow the steps to connect your financial institution. Once your account is linked, the next step is importing your bank statements. You have two main options: automatic bank feeds or manually uploading your bank statements. If your bank supports automatic feeds, this is by far the easiest and most seamless option. You can set up a feed directly from your bank account into Xero, and your bank transactions will automatically sync with your Xero account on a regular basis. This takes the hassle out of manual updates and ensures that your financial data is always up to date. If your bank doesn't support automatic feeds, don't worry. You can still manually upload your bank statements in a few simple steps. To do this, download your bank statement in a compatible file format such as .csv, .ofx, or .qif from your online banking platform. Then, head back to your Xero dashboard, click Bank Accounts, and find the account you want to upload the statement for. On the bank account page, click Manage Account, and then select Import a Statement. Once you select the Import a Statement option, you'll be prompted to upload your downloaded file. Xero will automatically match the data from your bank statement with the existing transactions in your accounting system, which makes it much easier to reconcile everything. If there are any unmatched transactions, you can manually reconcile them by reviewing the details and categorizing them correctly. One of the best features of Xero when it comes to bank statements is the way it helps with reconciliation. As the transactions are imported, you can reconcile them by matching your bank transactions with the accounting entries Xero has automatically created. Xero offers a simple, intuitive interface to quickly match and clear any discrepancies. By the way, if you're new to Xero or accounting software in general, don't worry about getting lost in the process. Xero is designed to be user-friendly, and you can easily undo or correct any errors in the process. Plus, if you're using a CSV or OFX file, Xero will even try to pre-fill categories for you, so all you have to do is confirm and reconcile. One thing to remember is that bank statement imports help save time, but you still need to stay on top of your financial management. Regularly importing and reconciling your bank statements keeps your accounting accurate and up to date, which is essential for tax purposes, financial planning, and overall business health. If you're looking to dive even deeper into Xero's capabilities, you can check out some of the other features such as invoicing, payroll, and financial reporting, but importing bank statements is one of the most crucial tasks to get right from the start. Before you go, don't forget that Xero has an exclusive and extended free trial available through the first link below. This trial allows you to explore all the features mentioned in today's video, including importing your bank statements without any commitment. Be sure to click on the link to take advantage of this limited time offer. So, to recap, importing bank statements in Xero is a quick, easy process that can be done automatically or manually. The automatic bank feeds are ideal for syncing your transactions, while manual uploads are simple and straightforward for banks that don't support direct connections. Either way, Xero makes managing your finances more efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the link below for your exclusive Xero free trial.